Yes, good night, my fans. You know, one of my fans was asking me, sending me an email asking me a question and stuff. So I'm just here to answer all the questions that my viewers asking me. It's such a very good question. When she asked me if my fiance asked me to murder or if it's me ask her to marry. I am the one who asked my fiance to marry me. And I also because this is a good question. This is a good question you ask me. You understand? And one of the things, I never, I don't even know. I never asked my fiance ever to be in America. Never. I told her to come to Jamaica to live with me. You understand what I'm saying? And she cried. You understand? Because she was shocked to hear that. You understand what I'm saying? I said I want her to come to Jamaica to live. If she can come to Jamaica to live. You understand? And she asked me a lot of questions that was on her mind to say if I was playing or because I said I want her to come to Jamaica to live. So she's saying, so would you not like to come to America to live? And I said, if I'm coming to America, I'm not coming to America because I want to come to America, because I can go. If I want to come to America, I can go. I can try on on a visiting visa if I want to come to America to travel and see America. If I'm coming to America, I'm coming to America because you want me to come to America. I'm coming to America for you, to be with you. You understand what I'm saying? And she cried. Oh, the day that I was texting my wife and I said I want to say something to you, and I call her on the video calling and I said, will you marry me? She started to cry. She never hesitated. She said yes, yes. You understand? I was not thinking about no America. I don't have that in my head to America. You understand? Not because you are going to America, that means you're going to happy and everything is going to alright. If you are a man that is lazy and don't want to do anything, you will still leave your country and go to America and don't achieve nothing. You understand? The same way you been in your own country is the same way you gonna carry your same self and be the same way you've been in your own country. You're gonna carry it that way. So that don't mean because you're going to America everything is gonna be cha-la-la-la-la. You understand? My fiance is the best thing ever happened to me. You understand? And as I said to my viewers, it was not easy. And they said anything that's not easy will never die quick. Anything you get so easy will fall off so easy. You understand? But I said I respect all your comments and I'm going to be honest with my viewers. All of these emails coming in. Some of these comments make you cry, make me cry, make tears come from my eyes, because the more you email and it seems like God are speaking through you guys, talking to me at the same time. Because it made my wife, it made my fiancé crying too. Miracle, beautiful. You understand? You know, it's not all comment are very nice. You have some say a lot of things, but I still accept anything you're saying. But some of the comments are funny, so I have to laugh. You know, you don't need to get me upset. You have a lot of males saying, "Hey, my wife, they love my wife. They saying this and they saying that." And you have a lot of females, they love me. So I appreciate all the love for my wife and I appreciate all the love for me. You understand? But my wife is my wife and she's mine. You understand? You see my smile? She put that lovely smile on my face and she's not even here because just calling her name, Dorina. Oh my God. Beautiful. Huh? So I just did this video for my viewers that asked me. So I just respond back. You understand? So I'm winning right now. I'm winning. You know? So I'm blessed. I should get a trophy right now. Thank you, viewers. Peace.